Are you ready to take your Asana project management skills to the next level? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use custom fields in Asana, a powerhouse feature for organizing, visualizing, and streamlining your workflow. Whether you manage marketing campaigns, product launches, or daily team tasks, custom fields can help you track exactly what matters most to your work. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up your own custom fields and use them to get deeper insight and higher control over your projects. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about how to add a custom field to your Asana project. Go ahead and open up the project you want to work with. I always suggest starting with a project you're already familiar with so you can immediately see the difference custom fields make. Once you're on that project's main page, look to the top right corner, you'll see a Customize button. Sometimes it's a simple plus icon next to your existing columns like Assignee or Due Date. Clicking this opens the Customization menu, which is where all the magic happens. Inside the Customization panel, you'll spot an option labeled Add Field. Click this and now you're faced with a decision. Do you want to build a custom field from scratch or use one that already exists in your company's library? If you're just getting started, I highly recommend creating your own. Just hit Create New Field. But if your team's already standardized some fields like budget or client, you can simply search and reuse those for consistency across projects. Now let's build your field. Give it a clear descriptive name, think priority, status, or even something unique like risk level. Next, choose the right field type. You can go with text for notes, numbers for budgets, dates for deadlines, or dropdowns for classifications like high, medium, or low priority. Taking a moment here to select the right field type is important. It ensures the data you collect is structured and actionable. If your field needs a little extra help, like color coding for urgency or a quick description for your teammates, don't hesitate to add those details. Currency symbols are handy if you're tracking financials, and a succinct description keeps everyone on the same page. When everything looks good, click Create Field or Add to Project. Don't worry if this part feels detailed, you'll only need to set it up once. With your custom fields in place here, where it gets really fun, start using these fields to add powerful context to your tasks. For example, you might tag each task's priority level, track costs, or update current status, turning simple assignments into rich data points. To visualize or organize your tasks by these fields, hit the Show Fields dropdown up top. This lets you toggle which fields you want to view, and you can even sort or group your tasks based on custom data. It's kind of like rearranging your desk. When everything's organized by what matters most, your work just flows easier. If you want to get even more advanced, you can automate workflows with rules. Let's say whenever the status field changes to complete, you want to automatically create a subtask for final review. Setting up these rules streamlines collaboration so work never falls through the cracks. Need to track or calculate results? Use formula fields to have Asana automatically crunch numbers, like comparing estimated versus actual hours on a project. This is a lifesaver for budgeting and time management. For bigger picture insights, try building custom reports that pull data from these fields. It gives you a clear, summarized overview of how your project is performing against key metrics. And one last pro tip. You can connect your custom fields to Asana Forms. That way, info submitted via Forms flows directly into your project, tagged and organized right from the start. And that's it. Custom fields can truly transform the way you use Asana, making your project management smarter, faster, and more tailored to your team's needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Got questions or want to share how you use custom fields? Drop me a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, actionable Asana tips just like this. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.